Communities worldwide are challenged by recurring shocks such as extreme weather events, forced migration, famine, and violent conflicts. These shocks often happen simultaneously and they are related. These wicked problems are difficult to tackle, but we see a spark of hope. That hope lies in the connection community members build with each other. They have developed strategies for community resilience. Our team developed a data-driven approach to assessing community resilience to recurring violent conflict shocks. We drew on network science, work with community resilience, and the knowledge of local people. Wicked problems are most effectively addressed by collaborations among multiple actors who bring different kinds of knowledge. Our research was done in the Babile and Grosum Waridas in the Somali region of Ethiopia, where drought, food, and water insecurity are prevalent. These waridas are sites for intense competition over resources such as land and water, and they experience recurring conflicts. We worked closely with the local communities and the local civil society organization to design and conduct our research. Together, we examined the complex system of shocks and how connections such as trust and social support impacts the community response to them. Our findings from the focus groups and 750 surveys give us reason to hope. Although we found that climate shocks and conflict shocks co-occur and that different community groups experience these conflicts differently. We also found that in times of multiple shocks, these communities develop their own systems and methods for resolving conflicts and exchanging resources. These locally driven resilience systems are grounded in a web of community-level support and trust relationship. Just like one of our participants said, we are not a people that can live without each other. Other locals told us about cooperative groups that support each other during drought, while informal institutions, including family, relatives, friends, neighbors, elders, religious leaders, and local administrators were frequently mentioned as sources of support. And that is just the tip of the iceberg. Our work shows that framework for assessing community resilience to recurring violent conflict should consider the nature of community relationship and the diverse ways which men, women, youth, and elders act. Our approach gives us a way to assess community resilience that is both data-driven and locally driven. Our research enables us to offer data-driven recommendations for programming. We look forward to refining our approach and working with local people in conflict-prone communities around the world. By prioritizing locally driven community resilience strategies, we can support this spark of hope and strengthen each community's unique system of resilience.